Today I figure I would give you a close-up of what the wheel swivels look like. Those came straight off the wheelchair. That's the way they were. And I just built that bracket right here. Just built that bracket. And since I used part of the frame of the original wheelchair, that all was part of the frame right there. It's aluminum. I couldn't weld to that. So what I did is I put a couple of nuts, one there, one right there, to attach to the steel part of the frame that I welded together to attach the brackets to. And I did the same thing here. There's two bolts here, there are two on that side, and then I just built me a battery tray, and those are the brackets. There's the brain from Robot Power. Anyway, this is a view from the rear. And what I did here is those brackets for the motors already came with a wheelchair. The only thing I did is I welded them right there. Luckily those were steel as they came from the lawnmower, and the tires and the wheels were already attached there. It's got a few nice safety features that came with it. Those are locks. This here, so that when it's not in use, I can lock them and it won't go anywhere. And the batteries are two marine batteries, so they can be cycled. And those are just the connectors that I use for my radio control planes. And they just happen to fit the connectors inside of these pieces that came with the wheelchair. And it was even labeled, so that's nice. If you can't read that, that says right. There's a shot of the brain unit. That's my receiver, radio receiver, which sends a signal into the brain. That plugs in right here on the side. Comes with a wire that goes into the receiver. That's the wire. Goes right in the receiver and goes into that brain. Receives the power from the battery right at this plug. Goes into the brain and then comes out mixed on the right channel and then on the left channel. That little brain from Robot Power made it easy to do all the electrical connections and simplify my radio control lawnmower project. So I'm just going to put these back together. Pick up my trusty radio control here, and as you can see, it's very sensitive. Alright, there we go.